Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today is a Memorial Day in America. It's the 30th of May, 2022. And I'm going to do a little trade recap on my Cadjpy trade. Let's see. Starting with US oil, right? Let me just break down all the factors I used to get into this trade. So let's see, we opened around, let me pull up my pen. All right, got the pen going. Right. So we opened, let's see, oil got down to a support level here of 114.86. Found some support here. Created this nice, I guess you could call it like a bull flag. We had the breakout here. This candle broke out from the congestion area. And let's see. At what time? 19:30. This is when I kind of came into the picture. I opened my charts up and stuff, and I saw that we had broken out, and we're on this candle. This candle was opening right here, and we were running up. So let's see. Right. So we had broken out from this congestion area right here, or this bull flag, right? We had run up again. Volume is increasing, right? We have this move up in volume right here, and I opened my charts on this breakout right here. So I saw that US oil was breaking out, and I thought to myself, all right, this is looking kind of strong. You know what I mean? This candle got up to what, 115.59. So on the open of this candle, this is when I saw everything was playing out. So I switched over to JPY basket. Let's see what they were doing at 19:30 yesterday. 19:30 hours. That's 7:30 yesterday, 7:30 p.m. So this is the candle that was on JPY basket. So we're having a weak yen, right? So I thought to myself, yeah, this is definitely the best pair to play, right? So jumped over to Cadjpy, and let's see. Let's make this bigger. Right, so we had nice volume moving up. Volume is increasing, right? Let's see. Right, so we have a move up in volume. Price found support and is running up as well. So everything is in sync, right? Everything is moving as it should. We have support in volume and price action moving up. And you can see this is my entry right here. You see that little blue arrow right there? I don't know if you can see it or not. If you're using a phone, you probably won't be able to see that, but let's see if I can make it bigger. Just as proof of my entry, you know. Yeah, it's not really getting that big, but let me just circle it one more time. And that's my entry at 99.997, right? And I believe that's the entry right here. You see where I put that green line, first buy entry? That's my entry right there. And honestly, man, I just let the trade ride. I just I set my stop loss. I think it was, let's see, where did I set my stop loss? I believe it was below S3. I think it was 65 or something. Yep, it was 99.650. That was my stop loss. So I entered here, and my stop loss was 99.650. So let's see where we took this to, right? And let me throw on the floor pivots, because this is gonna define how I took my my profits. Right. So let's see. Let's put on view app session. Let's see what else. And volume point of control. All right. Right, so I just rolled this up. I moved my stop loss, you know, when we found support, moved my stop loss to break even underneath here and stuff. Like when we found support and we moved back up, put my stop loss here at break even. and just kept on moving my stop loss up. As soon as we created some kind of sideways movement and broke out, I just moved my stop loss to here, right? And I just trailed my stop all day today until, let's see, we got this nice big movement up here, man. This was a nice bullish run right here, nice and clean. No big pullbacks. The only pullback was this back to upper VWAP, and got the push off of upper VWAP, and we never touched upper VWAP again. When we came to R4, we found support here again, pushed off, and let's see, you can see this is my, let's see if I can make that bigger. See, right here was my exit, and I exited at let's see, let's find it. It was 179. Let's see, go down 179, 100.7978. This is exactly where I stopped out. Let's see, could set an alert, I guess. I wanted to make a line really, but anyway, bring this down. Yeah, right there. Right, so that was my this was my exit right here. I covered all, sold all right here, and it was an easy trade, man. It just ran through these pivot levels, these floor pivots. This is R1. Let's see, pull back out the pen. You can see R1 here. This one is R2. These are the floor pivots, those copper lines. And this is R3. This is R4. And when we're really breaking out, this is what I start using as levels. In comparison to the Camarilla levels, they kind of line up sometimes. So even when we're breaking out past R3 and R4, I start using these levels, the floor pivots up here, because they kind of extend further compared to like the regular Camarilla pivots. But we added those. Anna Cooling added these R5 and R6, so you see they get up to this level now, but they usually used to stop at R4. So when you're looking for levels above that, you start going to R3, R4 and stuff like that on the floor pivots, you know. And yeah, this was a nice clean easy trade, man. It was a total of 79 pips. Let me see, let me measure that out. Let's see if I can grab this measure. Where is it? Nah, I'm gonna have to close this down. All right, let's see. All right, boom. So the entry was 99.97. All right, let's start from there. And we got up to 189, 179.98. So that was 80 pips, you know, so 79 point some, 80 pips roughly. So that was a big trade for me today, man. And I'm still trading small size. This was only about 0.02 lots, so it's like 20 cents per pip. So it came up to like, I don't know, $12 and some cents, something like that. So I'm still practicing my strategies and stuff, and this would be considered like my I call it the Correbo's strategy. And I think in Spanish it's linked with like the bull runs and stuff like that they used to have in Spain. So that's why I call it the Correbo's strategy, because it's a bull run, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that's my trade for today. It's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and you all trade safe and stay blessed.